A Valley mental health expert is opening up to ABC 15 about how the darkest moment in her life led her to help others and how she's created a new model that's paving the way to help even more people.
We talk so much about making your mess your message, and this is exactly what she's doing. Want to bring in our Jordan Bonke, sharing her story along with more about this one-stop shop to feel better. Good morning.
Hey, good morning to you guys. You know, it's common to go to a doctor for pain, but at this One Valley medical office, not only do they want to treat whatever it is that you want to take care of physically, but there's a combination here. They also want to introduce you at the same time, under one copay, to a behavioral health specialist. Take a look.
He had such a joyous life, like from the outside. You know?
Alicia Shipman says, looking at old photos from when she was a teen alongside her dad, Ken Hammer, you'd never know what she calls the best dad in the world was at times troubled.
He always wanted to provide the best, and I think he felt a lot of pressure and he needed to talk about it, and he didn't feel like he could talk to anyone about it. I think he also had a family history of trauma.
When Ken was in his early 50s, he took his own life. Alicia and her family in shock.
I thought that if I ran away from it, that it didn't happen, right? I wouldn't have to face that.
Through disbelief, anger, and sadness, she did face the reality of losing a parent as a teen. But through the recovery with a mental health professional, something eventually clicked for Alicia about how mental health and physical health can and should be treated together.
He was in pain. It's as much of a disease as heart disease.
Today, Alicia is a clinical manager at Evolved MD, which integrates behavioral health services in modern primary care. For example, she explains a common patient may seek pain management, but through this care, you can get medication, and patients will be introduced to an in-person therapist, all in the same visit, with one copay.
Working with medication, whether that's an antidepressant or an antidepressant that also can help your chronic pain, and mental health therapy, the rates of remission are amazing.
Through her darkest days, Alicia found her purpose. She's celebrating her 6-year anniversary with Evolved and is always in pursuit to help someone in need.
Honoring my father's memory, I think he would be happy. I think there's still more I can do, but I think he'd be happy with what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis.
I think he would be definitely happy. Alicia shared that if you or someone you know is struggling mentally, tell somebody. There are plenty of resources in our community, and we're lucky for that. 988 is one of them. She even mentioned to us that you can walk into an emergency room if you're feeling whatever sort of way. You could tell a health professional right then and there, and they can get you the help that you need. We put some resources on our website at abc15.com under this story. And we do a story like this, guys, just because we want to advocate for your physical and, of course, your mental health as well. This is a conversation that really started to ramp up, right? If you remember in the 2020 time frame, isolation is key, and that's when we started talking about it a little bit more, right?
Yeah, Jordan, I was just going to say, creating that dialogue, who knows who could hear this, and it could even save a life.
Okay. You're not alone, that is for sure. Our Jordan Bonke live this morning.